Yeah.
Hi everybody! Oh my goodness, has it been a minute since I've posted a video? You know, we've just been all out busy, and then we had a whole bunch of little snowstormy things, and we didn't have any food pantry runs to do, and wow, it's just been a minute. So, finally, we got to the food pantry today. And Christmas in there, oh my goodness. Yeah, so much. So anyway, we have a brownie with a cheesecake center, a limoncello cheesecake piece. We have apples. I now have 2 bags of pistachios because Mom don't eat them, so I got hers. Pistachios really good for you. Toasted oats cereal. Yeah, see, my house still is a mess. We got chicken breasts, and I'm so thankful that they are not drumsticks. Man, you can only do so much with a drumstick. I'm sorry, but you can. I am so thankful for this because I am out of chicken. A Caesar bacon salad. Even if I don't eat the lettuce part of it, I take out the things that I will use, like I'll save the dressing and stuff like that. It depends on how far out of date it is. That one's the 4th. Today is the 6th, so not too bad. So I'll probably take out the other things. A pizza topping bacon. I may not use these on my pizza too often, but I use these a lot in like casseroles and stuff like that to go on top. Oh yeah. Put the bacon on top. You'll love it. Little tiny pearl onions.
I'll eat them.
That's a lot to peel. I don't do
You
the
don't peel
little
them.
onion boil thing. I don't do that. Some ground beef. I picked up some rice paper sheets. I want to try the thing where you put the ground beef and stuff and make a cheeseburger pocket out of rice paper. I thought that looked cool. My mother tried it, and she did the one where you do the spirals, and she said it was not good. So now I'm going to try it a different way and make pockets, like little hot pockets, rice paper hot pockets. We'll see. She said it's hard to work with too. I guess we're going to find out. Organic sweet potatoes. Yeah, I'll cook them up and do something with them. I don't know what. We got a mini boulette.
What kind of bread is that?
Just round.
Oh.
I don't know. Come on, Greg, don't put me on the spot. Nature's Promise layered butter biscuits. Don't that sound great? And look at that butter in there.
They might be alright.
Yum! Giovanni elbows. It doesn't matter what kind of elbows or where they're from, my family eats them. That's what they do.
Squash.
Squash, corn chowder, you know it.
Yep.
Onion goes in the corn chowder too. Cabbage, that don't go in the corn chowder, but I've been craving coleslaw lately. So this might become
or you
my
just eat
coleslaw.
or you just boil the cabbage and eat it.
You can. Chopped kit Asian. Like I said, I'll take the extra stuff out of there. If the chopped lettuce part don't look great, I'll take it out and do stuff with the little parts and pieces. Pork roast.
That'll be good in like a
That'll be
pulled porky
something.
thing.
It'll be something. It's going in the Instapot, and it'll get time saver here, people. If you know that you're going to use like a certain meat in like a casserole or a soup or pulled pork or something like that, you want more room in your freezer, do these up immediately when you get them. I have an Instapot. I'm going to take this whole frozen thing, put it in the Instapot for an hour on meat stew, and it's going to be all done and shreddy when I take it out. I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag or a seal meal I have or what have you, and I'm going to have shredded pulled pork stuff all ready to go for whatever I want to use it in. And you can lay it flat in your freezer, and it doesn't take up as much room as this big bulky package does. So
It's
there
pretty
you go.
large.
Yeah, and when you freeze it flat, no extra room taken up. creamy mushroom soup. It's that time of year where we're doing casseroles and soups and all that kind of stuff. And although it's creamy mushroom soup, it's good in lots of things. Beef stroganoff, that sounds really good to me.
I want to make that.
Okay, you can.
Can we do a video?
You can do a video.
Okay.
Pinto beans. I don't really do much with these. I pass them on to my two sisters.
Make baked beans out of them if you really wanted to.
You can, if you really wanted to. I don't want to.
I don't either. That takes a lot of time.
I don't want to.
That takes too much time.
Tomato sauce. We love these tomato sauces on
especially
hand
me.
for
Hi.
Gregory. Gregory does a lot of pasta. A lot of pasta. And the guy is a skinny mini. But he eats pasta like 2 and 3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, he don't care. Pasta,
And I don't really do much.
Sugar snap peas.
Those are pretty good.
He doesn't do anything.
Hey, those right there would be good in the soup.
They would be. But you can also just eat them just like that.
I don't care. I'm not eating them just like that. That's gross.
And the final thing from the food pantry.
Butters.
All these little teeny butters.
They're
so cute.
You're going to take this and put this in the thing
My
of eggs.
kids will love these. They'll feel fancy.
I like normal butter. Margarine's gross.
But you'll like this because you'll feel fancy with your little tiny pats of butter.
Not really. It's just butter, Mom.
Emma will love
Bread.
it. Bread, because I have been craving peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. And you know what? If you've never toasted one, do a toasted
try it
peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Powdered sugar over the top.
You don't need the powdered sugar
Yes, you
on
do.
if you're doing it for supper or lunch
Yes, you
or
do.
what have you. If you have not tried liquid aminos,
Just like
do
soy
it.
sauce.
it's better than soy sauce. It's better. It's yummy.
It tastes the same to me.
I like it way better. I have to buy 2 of these a month. My kids love soy sauce. My new obsession, steel wool soap pads. I haven't had them in a long time. The other day I picked up a box just because I felt like it. Because I have a hard time finding a good deal on green scrubbies too. Green scrubbies getting expensive. And you gotta find the good green scrubbies. But steel wool pads, if you haven't used them for a while, give them another chance. I'm loving it. Cleaned my stove with them. Happy with it. It was much easier. And then this is bread store. This is Walmart. But this is bread store stuff here.
That looks good.
I'm sorry. I had a snack attack. I think it's gonna be,
Can I have one of those?
What?
One of the Hershey's things?
Probably. I'm
They
gonna
look
eat
pretty-
the whole box. I'm
They're-
gonna eat one out of each one and then just put them in the community thing.
Those look pretty darn good.
Snowballs. I'm the only one that will eat these because
Unless
they
I
have
take the
coconut.
marshmallow off.
Hershey's triple chocolate cakes. They just look so good. These were 2 for $6 for the Hershey's and the Reese's. The snowballs were on clearance for $1.50. So
Those, I can take those or leave those.
Reese's peanut butter flavored cupcakes. I got these because Emma said she really enjoyed the ones I got for Christmas.
They're bland. The cake
I
on
took-
is bland.
I took and went to the bread store, and because I couldn't decide what to get each one of the cakes and the treats there that I thought they would all enjoy, I just got a whole bunch of them and then did out 3 bags for each of the people that I was doing it for and divided up each of the boxes between the 3 bags, and they all got a hodgepodge of stuff and they loved it. They thought it was great. So really cheap on a Christmas present right there. Yeah, see, I'm even cheap doing Christmas. I am really bad.
Yep.
But I get good stuff. You like my stuff?
I'm watching you take camera. It's pretty funny.
You like my stuff.
Yes, I do. I want that cheesecake. Bernie thinks so. Hurry this up.
So anyway, yeah, that's tonight. I'll have an update. I got a new doctor this past month. I'll have an update on her because, oh my goodness, I think I had the best doctor's appointment ever in my whole entire life. So watch for the vlog thing that I'm going to do eventually on that. And yeah, that's all I have to say today. So I hope you all enjoyed watching. It's great to be back into this again. And we will see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, and share.
Bye.